Lehman Brothers, Merrill Lynch, AIG. Some of the biggest and oldest financial institutions gone overnight or hanging by a thread. But how did these global powerhouses go bust within such a short period of time? And how does this affect HKIS? News and Views asked one of our econ teachers, Ms. Haskins, what caused this crisis?
Fundamentally, there were some breakdowns in terms of how loans were given to people who really didn't deserve them. Their credit wasn't up to snuff, but the process had changed so much that the credit checks weren't in place. And so you had a lot of people trying to achieve the American dream and own a home who really couldn't afford it. And the banks didn't have a lot of interest in checking the financial background of their customers because they just wanted to make the loans and generate money that way.
While the markets are still tumbling, there have been efforts to try and revive the world economy. Banks that have been able to withstand the financial crisis have bought out some of these suffering investment groups. Bank of America has recently bought out plummeting Merrill Lynch, while UK investment bank Barclays have bought out all of Lehman Brothers' assets within the United States. On the 3rd of October, Congress passed the $700 billion bailout plan, which aims to help troubled banks by buying the bad loans. President Bush described this as a decisive action to ease the credit crunch that is now threatening our economy. Now all we want to know is what the effect will be in the future. We have Mr. Baker to comment.
My opinion of what's going to happen in the future is that with less money now available in the marketplace, because banks are wary to lend out money, I think this is going to lead to a slow economic growth for the next possibly 5 to 10 years.
With the world economies in such turmoil, how will this affect the lives of the HKIS community? Well, it already has. Many HKIS parents work or worked for the big companies such as Lehman Brothers, Merrill Lynch, or AIG. HKIS families are feeling the pain, just like the rest of the world. This is Gabriel Wong, News and Views.